How to log in into Crunchyroll account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can log in into Crunchyroll account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in crunchyroll.com. That's gonna take you to the official website. Now in order to log in, navigate towards the top right corner and there is this profile icon. Click on it. Here you have to click on login. Now you will land on the login page. Here you have to enter your login credentials associated with your account. So for that, first of all, enter your email address. Under that, you have to enter the password that is associated with your account and make sure you type in the correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forget password. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. So once you have done entering a login credential, click on login button. And after that, you will be logged into your account, and that's how you can log in into Crunchyroll account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.